It's Sway in the morning, only on Shea 45.
In the morning, Shea 45. Childish Gambino. He's gonna do a never before heard written.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Yeah. You're getting a lot of exclusives
Yeah,
today.
man.
I'm
trying to figure out.
You hit me on the right day, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if there's a better place to ever give exclusives than right here. I was just stunting on him right now.
Now you stunting.
Now I'm stunting. I mean, if you're gonna do it, where else would you do it? That's better. Than this. No, I'm just kidding. All right, Childish Gambino is here. You know, this dude flows off the top of the head. He's one of the most interesting guys to hear rap right now because his metaphors come out of Pluto and sometimes land on Neptune before it ricochets to Earth. and I enjoy that because I can never guess what he's going to say next. Performing tonight at Prospect Park, but you get him right here live on Sway in the Morning.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Woo. All right. Look sharp, homie, give yourself a facelift. Highbrow eyebrows on a spaceship. Take sips of that ace of spades is saving all my money just to waste on a bracelet. Can't see them haters, we don't give a fuck though. Charge it to the game, keep a lame so cutthroat. Never slip a fast one, the game is so in front of me. Travel around the globe, spend and make about 100 G's. Pack them crowds up, boss like Bowser. Deep pocket poetry, my custom trousers. Thank God they found us, the game was starving. I'm clean and concrete, you ass and Charmin, Bobby Digital. Do you really think these niggas know shit? Shopping in Manhattan and I ran into my old chick. Pride is a bitch, I am not a grown up. Tweeting when I'm 70, these half dead followers, she look like she Spellman. Secretly she Hofstra. Put her in the club, all she wanna hear is Waka. Put her in the crib, all she wanna hear is Waka. She jerk when I move like an old boy popped her. Home is that Outcast, soul is that Fonte. Old school J's like Beyonce's fiance. Back on my dumb shit, nigga we the stupidest. Gave them niggas real shit, don't know what to do with it. I did what I did, man. Did you see it though? Bino hard and fast, niggas sweet and low, American royalty, family loyalty. We cream of the crop, why the fuck would we stop? Yo, she had 2 sons, both of them good grades, both of them rap songs. Where did she go wrong? Man, nowhere, mama, we just go where the money at. Royalty, nigga, where the fuck you niggas at?
Oh, hey, oh! It's Sway in the morning, only on Shea 45.